Hey guys, it's Clary, and today I'll be letting you know the top 5 cute mods you need to try in 2026. Number 1 is of course Cobblemon. Everyone has to return to Cobblemon. It's Pokemon, but with Minecraft. It adds Pokemons that spawn naturally in biomes, battle properly, evolve, and follow you around. You can choose a starter, throw Pokeballs, and even grow apricorns to craft them. Why is it cute? Well, Pokemon can sit on your shoulder and follow you around like tiny pixel pets. It's really adorable. Number 2, we have Cluttered. This is the ultimate cozy core furniture mod. It adds pastel furniture, plants, wall decor, sofas, counters, and Animal Crossing inspired items. Everything is craftable and fits perfectly in cottagecore or modern builds. Number 3, Armorer's Workshop. This turns your tools and armor into literal art. It lets you design custom skins for weapons, armor, and tools using blocks. You can download creations from a global library, and now you can fight mobs with the pastel hammer or candy sword. It's unhinged but amazing. And before we have Lightman's Currency. This is the cutest economy system Minecraft has ever had. It adds coins, wallets, banks, ATMs, vending machines, and shop systems. It's perfect for multiplayer servers or roleplay worlds. And number 5, if you love pretty builds, you need this mod. It adds dozens of new flowers, plants, water foliage, and decorative greenery. Many can be turned into dyes, which makes builds more colorful and detailed. With this mod, my world started looking like a fairy garden instead of a survival wasteland. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to play more multiplayer games with your friends, you can go ahead and check out Server.pro.